Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In one of my previous videos, we discussed that Greece was set to sign a deal with France to purchase 18 Dassault made Rafale fighter jets. Out of these 18 Rafales, 6 of them would be new ones, and 12 of them would be slightly used F3R Rafale jets, which are already in service with French Air Force. All these steps were taken when tensions arose during August 2020 when Turkey sent their research vessel Oruk Reis to map out possible oil and gas drilling prospects in waters which was claimed by Greece and Cyprus. So what is happening with this particular deal and what would be French Air Force doing to replace the 12 Rafales which are being given to Greece? Let us discuss these points in this particular video. As per the latest update, Greece has signed this deal on January 25, 2021, including the agreement for relevant associated logistic support. As per the statement from Dassault Aviation, the deliveries of aircraft will begin in the summer of 2021 and it will be spread over 2 years, and this is to meet the urgent need of Greek authorities. The logistic support contract will support the Hellenic Air Force Rafale Air activity over 4.5 years, maintaining the availability of equipment and systems at the highest level. Not just that, even MBDA are also included in this agreement since they are the major supplier of weapons and missiles for Mirage 2000 and Rafale fighters. It is said that these Rafales will be equipped with Scalp cruise missiles, AIM-39 Exocet anti-ship missiles, and Mica multi-mission air-to-air missiles. Additionally, MBDA will also be supplying the Meteor beyond visual range air-to-air missiles. So that was the update on Greece Rafale order. Now what would happen to French Air Force fleet after allotting the 12 of their used Rafales to Greece? How are they going to replace them? So here is the answer for that particular query. In order to replace the 12 Rafales of French Air and Space Force that was sold to Hellenic Air Force, Florence Parly, who is a French Minister of Armed Forces, signed a contract for the sale of 12 Rafale fighter aircrafts with Dassault Aviation on January 29, 2021. This contract will benefit not only Dassault Aviation but also Thales, Safran, and 500 French companies who are involved in this particular program. So that was a quick update and a short video to update about the status of Rafale orders by Greece and France. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.